blue skies,
Oh.
especially for so many people coming together, joining in those vigils outside. We've really lucked out in that department.
We really did here, Brooke. And again, today we are going to be in luck again. We're going to be brought on by a lot of sunshine. Let's actually look at the past 20 hours with our temperature spread. And you saw yesterday we did flirt with 80 in the airport and here in Louisville. This morning we dipped down to 53 and we're already in the middle 70s at this hour. I do think we are going to be hitting the 80s easily today. 82 degrees is the forecasted high. It'll be feeling like summer today in Kentuckiana, to say the least. A light wind out of the south and west, and our sunset still around 8:15 into the evening, so we're still enjoying plenty of daylight as we progress into the remainder of spring. Right now we're sitting at 75, Bowman Airfield 73, Jasper sitting at 74 evenly, and then again E-Town is sitting at 76. Now we're already climbing into the upper 70s across the east. Springfield almost sitting 80 degrees at this hour off to the eastern sector of Kentuckiana. Bardstown 76. Here at the airport in Louisville we're at 75. We're all looking pretty good at this hour, stepping out the door for lunch. We also do have an air quality alert, though. I want to mention this. This is actually the first time we've seen it so far this year. It's a reminder that there's just kind of enough pollutants in the atmosphere today to make for some difficulty when it comes to those that are a part of an unhealthy or the sensitive groups here. The air is going to be unhealthy if you are going to be outside for a prolonged amount of time, especially if you have asthma. Keep this in mind. I would just refrain from outdoor exercise as best you can today. The nice thing is air quality is going to get a lot better tomorrow. The reason why? Well, there's going to be chances for rain, which will be kind of making our atmosphere a little bit more healthy here. We're going to be watching incoming rain chances moving in from the south, and there's going to be a couple of chances for additional rainfall as we take a look at the weekend. I do think Saturday, the timing of it will be dry. Saturday we'll get to about 81 in Louisville, but Sunday our models are showing could be a bit of a doozy of a storm system. There will be quite a bit of rainfall as this whole system will be impacting us to close out the weekend. This is the rest of today. Notice there will be high passing cirrus clouds, maybe a couple of fair weather cumulus clouds mixing in late this afternoon from the south. Waking up tomorrow morning, there could be a spotty rain shower, but I really think the best chance for the rain tomorrow will come more into play as we progress into the mid to late afternoon. Notice down to the south there will be some showers and storms isolated in nature to kind of becoming scattered as they bump their way up to the north and west with time. And notice even into tomorrow evening and even around midnight tomorrow, a couple more of these showers and storms could be producing brief heavy downpours with them, maybe some small hail. We'll see a break in the activity during the day Saturday, and again as we take a look at Sunday, there will be more showers and storms developing off to our west, and it's looking likely on Sunday the timing of the rain will be more late morning going into the early to mid afternoon before finally clearing us into Sunday night. So that'll bring it for a lot quieter conditions through early to mid next week, but rainfall could be tallying between a quarter to a half an inch across Kentuckiana with that system on Sunday. I don't see much in the way of thunder, but we'll be watching that closer as that event moves in. And once again, Brooke, next week we are looking to be in the clear, staying a lot warmer too as we progress into Wednesday and Thursday.